Now that I've logged into my staff YouTube account, I want to upload a video. And so this tutorial is going to show you how to do that. Once you're looking at the YouTube main window, you'll want to go to the upper right corner and you'll want to click the upload button. When you first upload a video, the first time, you'll be prompted to create a YouTube channel. And I'm showing you that graphic now. And so you'll just want to accept all of the defaults that you see, the fields that are already filled in, and then click the button to allow YouTube to create a channel with your name on it. Once you do that, you'll be taken to the upload window. Before we upload anything, I just want to show you a list of supported YouTube file formats, and I will send along this link as well. And so most people, when they create a video either through software on the computer or through their phones or through an actual video camera, the file types that you see listed here are probably going to be the ones that you'll end up creating, and so you shouldn't have any trouble. If you do create a video with a device that doesn't have an output of one of those file types, you can either contact the center or contact someone in distance learning or even contact George Dobbin, and someone in one of those areas should be able to help you convert whatever video type you have to the supported YouTube file formats that you see listed here. So again, these are the file types that YouTube will accept, and most of the time you're going to end up with one of these file formats, so you should be fine. So we'll go back to the upload window. So you see you can either select files to upload or drag and drop video files here. And even before we choose to upload some videos, we want to look at the privacy settings that you have. So you have public, unlisted, private. Scheduled is something new that I just see right now, so I'm not exactly sure what happens when you choose scheduled. I'm going to assume that it doesn't make your video available until a certain time, but again, I'm not sure. I haven't seen that option yet. What we recommend using for your privacy setting is the unlisted option. Public, if you choose public to upload your video, what that means is that anybody who searches YouTube for a video could possibly come across the content that you've uploaded based on the title, based on any metadata that you've put around it, any tags that talk about the content, and I think it might even search on closed captioning that we're going to talk about in a later video that you're going to want to do when you upload your video. You're going to want to make sure that you have accurate closed captions. So again, I know a lot of my faculty members want to protect the content that they upload to various websites, and they don't want to make it available to just the general public. So most folks aren't going to want to use the public option. What we recommend using is unlisted, and what unlisted means is that when you upload your video under unlisted, it's not going to show up in any general searches that anyone who comes to YouTube is going to do. So it's not going to just show up for the general public. Unlisted allows you to share your video unrestricted with anyone as long as that individual has the link to your video, the direct link, the direct URL. So that's what we recommend. It's the easiest way to share your videos, and most of our folks have not run into any issues using unlisted. Private, what private means is that you have to specifically enter in usernames of people that have YouTube accounts in order to see the video that you've uploaded. And students don't have access to a DCCC YouTube account, so you can't assume that they're going to have a personal YouTube account. So that usually doesn't work out well for people who make their videos completely private. So again, we suggest choosing unlisted. And I'll send along this URL, how to change video privacy settings and what they mean. So they go through public, private, and unlisted. Okay, so now we have unlisted selected, so we can actually upload our video file. So I'm going to go to select files to upload, and I can either click on that text, and I have a dialog box that will let me find the file that I want to upload, or files. I can upload multiple files by clicking and then control clicking the other files that I want to upload, or I can lasso files on my computer and drag and drop multiple video files into YouTube at one time. I only want to upload one, so I'm going to just drag and drop my video file over the white and gray arrow. So when I do that, I see this progress screen. So I see the progress of the video itself uploading. The bigger the video, the longer the upload is going to take. And the more videos that you upload, the longer that upload process is going to take. And then once the videos are uploaded, YouTube processes them so that they can show them to end users. So I get this processing progress bar. I can change the title of my video. I can change the description of my video. I can add keywords if I did want to make it available to the public. This link here will give me access to the video page, the page for my video. Right now they're processing the video, so it's not viewable yet. We're at 95%. Up here it says processing is done. And so here I can change the privacy setting as well. If I had playlists, I could add it to a playlist. I could go into advanced settings and I could really customize how people interact with my video. But for right now, we just need to concentrate on basic information. Okay, so we have that, and we can click Done. So now I see the URL of my video that I could share with someone in an email, or I could add it to Canvas, or paste it in a Word document, or however I need to use it. So this is the actual URL of my video. I could also find an embed code. Sometimes people want to embed their video in a page, so you could do that, or you could actually email it to other people if you had their email addresses. So I can copy this URL and I can travel there. In order to access your, my video is ready to be shared.